My correct people, I don't know what keeps giving them the F13 to make all this move. Hey, my people, as we heard, olori mariam and olori ronke. You know the other time, just today, I said something about it, about olori toby reporting the elders to the court. Yes, it is raining court now. Everybody is reporting. Everybody wants to sue anybody now. If you talk, you collect. If you do, you collect. Everybody is finding fundamental human rights now. My people, we heard the other time that olori toby sued the elders to court. Now they said olori mariam and olori ronke sues Kabiyesi to court. My people, I welcome you to this channel. I beg, if you have not subscribed, try and subscribe though. And if you are my returnees, I appreciate you. I greet you according to the time that this information is reaching you, my people. So what we are hearing is that as alleged, though, as is rumored, as is flying all over, that olori ronke and olori mariam teamed together to go and report Kabiyesi to sue him to the court. That this time around, it is not about the divorce case, so they sue him to court for abandonment. Yes, that he abandoned them and he was just facing only one wife. That he married them. Ever since he married them, he has not been taking care of them. He has not been giving them face. He just married them and treat them anyhow. Now they now want to report them to the court for court to summon him. You know, I don't know their plan. Oh, maybe their plan is that according to what we heard, they said their plan could be that if they now win Kabiyesi in the court, then the court will now ask them, okay, what do they want for compensation? Then they will now start listing what they want. This is funny. They will now start listing. They will want a Ojaja more. They will want a hotel. They will want a oil company. They will want this one. They will want that. They want that they had. That is what they said they are planning. You know. So they now sue the Kabiyesi to court. And they said Kabiyesi answered. Yes, he has to answer that this is what your wife's complaint. They reported you that you abandoned them. I don't know how they used to write the statement, abandonment or what. That you married wife and you are not taking care of your wife. You abandoned her and you are not even doing anything about it. So they say Kabiyesi appeared in the court too, according to information, that after all said and done, Kabiyesi was pleaded not guilty. Hey, Kabiyesi, it was not actually Kabiyesi only. Like it was a Kabiyesi and Queen Naomi that they sued to court. That these two, they abandoned them and they are treating them anyhow. That they don't even regard them. In fact, for the matter of fact that they don't, Kabiyesi does not take care of them. They not receive anything from Kabiyesi. You know, when people want to spoil your name, when people want to, because sure we know, it's not here that we heard that Kabiyesi is giving them allowances. He's still giving them allowances, still paying them, he's still giving them the opportunity to go out with them. Like if there's any public gathering that they need Kabiyesi, their husband, to go, that Kabiyesi will appear and go with them, so that people outside will not know what is happening, so that it will cover them the shame that they don't have husband again, or that their husband is not loving them again. So Kabiyesi is trying to cover that shame till the person decides to leave by herself. So why then are they now saying that Kabiyesi abandoned them, that Kabiyesi is not treating them fine, that Kabiyesi does not even give them, take care of them? He doesn't even care about what they eat. They just married them and abandoned them. And it was, they even sued Queen Naomi, that it was Queen Naomi that, in fact, they sued her as a side chick, that Queen Naomi is taking away their husband's mind from them. That after all, that is what they said. The thing is funny. It's very funny. That is what they said. They claimed that Queen Naomi is not no longer married with Kabiyesi. But here and then Kabiyesi is always running after Queen Naomi. That is now that side chick that is now directing Kabiyesi on what to do, that is now mentoring Kabiyesi, telling Kabiyesi how to handle his own homes. That them that are the wives now, they are now seeing themselves as their side chick, while the side chick is now being a wife. No be smart in my people. And if you can't think, it be like they can't get points. Because if truly all this information we are hearing is true, No, if Queen Naomi has not really returned back to the palace fully because all the rites have not been performed fully. Now they are not regarding her as a side chick, that the side chick should better leave their husband alone so that their husband can concentrate on them. That Queen Naomi was married before to him and later they were no longer married, and they don't see the reason why Queen Naomi will now be interfering in their marriage. You know, that the side chick that is now taking order, giving orders in the palace, she's not the one in charge of everything in the palace, that she has taken away everything, including their husband, that the court should please summon them and ask the side chick to leave their husband alone. The thing is funny when I heard it, that they called Olori Naomi side chick, my people. Because they were separated before Kabiyesi married them. That is the point they are giving. And if you look deeply, you get as you go take look the thing, you go come be like saying that true, my people. There's no sentiments. No, I'm not trying to. I'm a hard fan of Queen Naomi, but I want to remove sentiment. If you look at this thing very well, you go see say they get point there. They say Naomi na side chick of a Kabiyesi, and now she's the one now doing telling Kabiyesi what to do. She's now running the affairs of their home. She's not removing their husband face from her. That she's claiming every. In fact, they said this according to what we heard, according to what I heard, they said that Queen Naomi is under force, that is collecting every property of their husband under force. I don't know what a force waiting. Force. Hey, I've forgotten. People that are doing law, you people will know more. That is how they said they wrote the thing. That is Naomi is imposing on Kabiyesi that he must provide all those things. That is Naomi that is telling Kabiyesi that he must give his son this. He must give her son this. He must give her that. That he must buy her house. He must give her or Jaja more. He must, that they don't know the kind of juju that Queen Naomi is using. You know. So they painted all these allegations against Kabiyesi. And Kabiyesi, true, he appeared in the court. As we heard, he answered. But after every set and done, my people, after every set and done, you know now, Queen Naomi is always grace. Anywhere she go, all these things where these oloris they do, it always backfire. But here, they don't want to learn their lesson. Do you know? After all set and done, Kabiyesi and Naomi pleaded not guilty. Because it seems they have forgotten that Naomi's bride price were not returned. Yes, even if they say they don't marry again, and the bride price still there that time, they're still married, just as them that they're still married to their husbands and married to Kabiyesi as well. So them now, according to what we heard, that the bride price of their husbands are still on their head, which means now them are marrying two husbands now. They are marrying Naomi's husband and they are marrying their own husband, but it depends on where they are at that particular moment. They should be able to thank themselves enough that Kabiyesi do not throw them out. That Kabiyesi is still giving them chance to make decision by themselves. For them to put all those allegations against Kabiyesi. You know, Kabiyesi and Naomi pleaded not guilty because they showed evidence that the bride price have not been returned. So they're still husband and wife. That what they're trying to do now is trying to make everything, do the traditional rites very well before Naomi can return. That Naomi is on the process of returning. And it seems these oloris, they did not get the information well before they proceeded to the court. Yes, they were not informed well. Because if they were informed that the bride price of Olori Naomi has not been returned, I don't think they will make that move. All these things they did now is maybe they wanted to stop. They are still finding a way to stop that Olori Naomi did not come back to the palace. Because if they have won, and the court might ask them, okay, what do they want? They will now start requesting for settlement so that they can leave. They will now start requesting for, I need this one, I need that. And when they start requesting for I need this and need that, Kabiyesi will be forced, because maybe at that time the courts must have involved themselves and now ask Kabiyesi, impose it on Kabiyesi, that Kabiyesi will have to do it. You know, so that is what they were thinking that will happen. But it's so unfortunate for them that it did not happen that way at all. So the Kabiyesi and Queen Naomi pleaded not guilty. You know, so my people, now the matter, I say make I follow on at all, because this one is me funny. It's very funny. All this act that this oloris are acting, it is very, 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 very funny. But I just know say one day everything will end. They go know what thing they do to themselves. My correct people, chook mouth for this matter. I beg, make we talk about this thing. Make we really chook mouth for this matter. Comment on this channel. I dey always like una comment. Una wise, in fact. And for you who are coming across this channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of news. Soon we are going to introduce more gist for you from other places apart from Palace of Ooni. My people just have to hang around because I have more gist for you.